Hey guys, if you are looking for an awesome platform that helps you to do different and multiple tasks and amazing outputs that help you further in your projects and make money online. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you this amazing AI platform that will blow your mind and completely for free. So sit back and buckle up. And this website is genespark.ai. Here you can type here on Google GeniusPark and jump to the first result. GeniusPark, you're all in one AI workspace. So click over this amazing website. Then you would land on this stunning platform, GenSpark. Here, officially can generate high quality outputs, including documents, sheets, slides, podcasts, AI images, and much more. And for sure, it gives you daily free credits. Here's the first step here we are gonna take. Here you can sign up for free, sign up. And of course, you can use any Gmail or email or even your temporary email as you want. Head over to login to email, sign up now. Then insert your credentials as normal. Thus, we are in boss here in this amazing website, genespark.ai. And here, if you just look at this pricing plans or your free credits, so you can go to this 100 credits per day. It just renew every single day. Anyway, here on GeniusPark, you can actually generate high quality slides by using this amazing option. Here just you can insert here your prompt or description of anything or the link of any website you want to make a slide or a PowerPoint presentation or something. This amazing platform gives you output. And here for sure you can find different amazing templates to choose from to actually apply to your own generated presentation. Or here you can actually add your own template from your device, and for sure it supports PowerPoint presentation. So if you love any template you want in style, fonts or something, here you can upload it to this to be as your own template. And of course you can set your style from these options to be elegant, minimalist, modern or something, themes, business, marketing, technology, and so on as you see. So you can find here a stunning presentation from GeniusPark AI that help you to promote something to give away as a freebie or sell them as a digital product as you want. GeniusPark AI slides. Or you can go back again and here you can go to for sure, for example, this AI image generator. Here you can click over this one. Okay. And here you can use the most recent professional models to generate and create and edit your images as you want. So you can find some quick apps to remove background, magic eraser or something. But here if you go to generate your image, here you can rely on the most recent models, starting with Nano Pen Pro. So here you can go to this drop down menu and here you can find and discover these amazing models. Nano Pen Pro for free using this amazing Unispark platform, Flux, GPT, Gemini, Recraft, and so on. So if you just try this amazing one quickly, here I can go to this upload my image. For example, I wanna use this image to enhance its quality to be 4K. Okay, so here just you can insert a simple prompt like enhance this image to be 4K in resolution or something, then go. And of course you can actually add here some auto prompt to enhance this prompt a little bit, auto style, so it's customize your settings as you see. But just to keep all these default settings, you will see how awesome this amazing tool generates this output with high quality and 4K resolution just in few seconds. And of course, by the way, this AI thumbnail of my recent video on YouTube talking about how you can clone any YouTube video just in few seconds using awesome platform. Just you can check out this amazing video down below in the first comment and description box. As you see here, 4K resolution of my own YouTube thumbnail. Awesome, isn't it? Okay, so that way you can use Nano Pen Pro completely for free, even if you just run out of your credits here. Just you can create a new one using any temporary email as you want. Okay, so for sure you can use Nano Pana Pro away from Gemini.google or Google AI Studio. Here you can try it completely for free without any limit here on GeniusPark.ai. So this is the first actually output I can get here from GeniusPark. So what about something else? Like if I can go to this one AI docs. Here you can generate any document as you want. It is based on your description and your prompt. It could be your resume, your invoice, anything you want to generate as a document or a PDF. And of course, you can use amazing template and this amazing tool to create high quality, amazing digital product to sell and or a giveaway free P to your audience. So here, for example, I can generate an amazing checklist about the most important steps, how to avoid overthinking. So you can insert here this awesome sample prompt and this topic, like a checklist on the most important steps to avoid overthinking. Okay, and just go. And just in few seconds here you can find awesome output. You can believe it. And here we go with this awesome result. A checklist of the most important steps to stop overthinking. And here you can find this amazing checklist boxes in different sections here: mental strategies, immediate actions, daily habits prevent, long-term practice perfect, and the best here it's just engaging one. So here you can find, you can check this box or uncheck as you want. It's the best here. You can edit anything you want just by changing the font size, add some bullet points or a different checkpoints as you want. And we're happy with this result. Just you can go to this option to export this PDF or this amazing one. Okay, like this. Then you can download it for free to your device to use later on your business. Just to click over this PDF or export as HTML. Awesome, isn't it? So we can go back here to try. I can try something else like podcast here. So here, if we just go to this all agents here on Genius Park, here you can find plenty of these agents. You can discover this one. Here you can create your sheets as you can work on it, Google Sheets or Excel or something. AI designer here. AI designer. It's awesome template here. AI docs that we just tried before. Developer, he can generate a game or a website or something else. Clip Genius, here you can clip in your YouTube video to create short videos and so on. Photo Genius, here you can edit your photo as you want using AI. Fact check, here if you just have some facts, if you want to check true or something, so here you can use this amazing tool as you say. Download for me. Here you can look a huge library of a narrator tool. Look for something you want to download it to your device to use as a reference on your study, on your research or something. Here you can use this amazing one. Download it for me. Just you can go to task and insert some your topics or a link of any web page to search for you for a downloadable file that would help you in your project. I can try something like AI pods. Here you can go to task here, and for sure this tool enables you to generate and turn any video or any link of any article or your description or your idea to a beautiful podcast. So here I can insert something like I can go to Google and search for some articles talking about how to avoid a bear attack, how to survive bear attack, and for sure you can find here multiple articles and websites talking about this topic. So I can take one of these beautiful resources like this one, surviving a grizzly bear attack, and copy its link and go back to your own podcast tool on Genius Park, insert this link and just click over this go, and the result would be amazing like this.
The air is crisp. The only sounds are the wind and the pines and your own footsteps on the dirt. It's pure peace. But in the back of your mind, especially when you're with a bear, preparations start. Do not run. Your every instinct might scream at you to flee, but running is like waving a flag.
Amazing. There are two different persons talking about this topic from your resource that is in this article. Okay, that's awesome. One here you can export your audio file or share it so you can use this podcast as a digital product or as a series of your topic that you can using some different footage and photos you can generate from any AI image generators or something to make your own video prior to publish on social media, YouTube, and so on. So you can use this awesome website here to generate your podcast. So we can try something else quickly, and finally we can go back here and look for something awesome that help you in your projects and your marketing campaigns. That is, so you can go to home please and go to quickly to AI designer. Here this amazing tool enables you to design anything you want, like a poster, flyer, product image, coupon, character, memes, stickers, as you want, just from your prompt and your description. And for sure you can use any reference image from this option as you want. So I can try something else. I can actually upload my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, like this one, for example, is a YouTube thumbnail talking about how you can generate high quality mockups using AI. And of course, you can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. Anyway, I want to convert this YouTube thumbnail to beautiful flyer here. So you can actually insert a simple prompt or simple description as you see. Amazing, isn't it? So here you can find this result. AI mockup generator, transform ideas into reality. And this is a second copy here. Perfect flyer from my own image and YouTube thumbnail. Amazing. So that way you can use this amazing one to generate high quality advertisements or visual assets for your campaigns, your Facebook ads, or something to promote your product and your brand smoothly and professionally. So that way you can try this amazing platform, GeniusPark.ai, in different model here as you see. And last but not least, I just you can go to this amazing option here. You can go to home and I can look for something like this one, custom super agent. Here you can chat with a custom GPT like model here, like this one. Here you can find some trending and the most popular agents based on usage, like for Idea Browser Pro, TripMind or something, or from GeniusPark itself. Here you can go to these custom GPTs or super agents to chat with. So for example, quickly I can go to Idea Browser Pro, and here you can find some examples like conversation starters. So you can start with this one, find me and tabbed market gaps in health and wellness right now. So you can click over this one and gives you a list of these amazing discoveries and these amazing opportunities and so on and so forth, or you can start chat with anything else as you want. So this awesome one super agent to go, or simply can go to create a new one based on your need and your research. So here you can generate an images, here you can make an articles, your custom support agent to generate articles or hashtags for your Instagram or something else. And for sure, completely for free. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.